Welcome to the apartment and welcome to my channel. I'm Susan. Come on in, I'd love to show you around. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment, 690 square feet, located in southwestern Ontario. I'm on the 6th floor of a 7-story building. So come on in and we'll take a look around. As you can see, just inside the doorway is the kitchen area. I have a great island here, which I think is just perfect for this spot. There's a little nook there for Bailey's food bowls, and they're tucked away nicely. There are several cupboards which are very high, and they provide ample storage space. But let's just say I keep a step stool very handy. They're very high, and I'm very short, but we make it work. The fresh white look of the cupboards and of the backsplash make the kitchen look very bright and light. The granite countertop is carried through the rest of the apartment on the window ledges and the countertop for the vanity in the bathroom. The under-the-counter lighting provide additional soft lighting in the evening. It's a large, bright, efficient kitchen, and I think it's just perfect. Just off of the kitchen is the bathroom. And in the bathroom is the washer and dryer, which is very convenient. I have some large storage baskets up top. Beside the washer and dryer is this curtain, which I've hung to hide the venting and the water pipes for the washer and dryer. I'm not really in love with this solution. If you have any suggestions on what I might do to otherwise hide that, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Otherwise, the tub and shower has lovely tile all the way up to the 9-foot ceiling. It's a nice, large, deep tub. Another interesting thing in this bathroom is what I would call the world's smallest sink. And there again, you'll see the same granite from the kitchen. Nice clean light fixtures. I've added an additional storage cupboard here. In the main area is a set of 8-foot double doors. And inside is a huge closet in which I store most of my clothing, shoes, some additional storage boxes, stored right up to the 9-foot ceiling in order to maximize this great space. Next, we'll take a look at the bedroom. It's a good-sized room with a very large west-facing window, which provides beautiful sunset views in the evening. Like the rest of the apartment, I only display things that are very special to me, things that I love to look at, and nothing extra or cluttered. And I think it lends itself to a very peaceful, cozy, relaxing environment. Now, having said that, I'll show you this next room. It's meant to be the walk-in closet, and while I do store many clothes here in this large dresser, I also store many other things in this little room. Those are all photographs. The boxes hold childhood mementos of my children, baby items, Christmas items, extra furniture, cleaning supplies, tools. This room allows me to keep the rest of the apartment organized and uncluttered by having a spot to store all of the extra items that I have. This is the view in the evening, and I just think it's the perfect spot to relax and unwind after a long, busy day. Thank you for joining me on a tour of the apartment. I hope you liked it. Welcome to the channel where we discuss embracing this stage of our life with enthusiasm, positivity, and confidence.